I decided to go to community college because I wasn't sure what I wanted to study.
When I was originally looking into the DirectConnect program, I was very much to stand still educationally.
At first, I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I felt like going to UCF was really intimidating.
I went from a very small school in Puerto Rico to then Valencia College, which their class size ratio is very small. Then all of a sudden, I come into this massive institution.
When I graduated high school, applying to colleges was kind of scary and I didn't know what I was doing. So the DirectConnect program kind of made it so easy that it was just the road ahead of me I knew was going to be challenging, and it was. And this was just one less thing to think about. Now I'm doing a doctoral degree in mechanical engineering at Purdue University.
Because of the Integrative General Studies program and the DirectConnect program at the University of Central Florida, I am now employed at Hope Ridge Autism Therapy Clinics and enrolled in a master's program to become a board certified behavior analyst. If I had to recommend the DirectConnect program to anyone, I would definitely recommend the DirectConnect program.
That experience helped me a lot to understand what I really wanted out of myself, what were my goals, what were my ambitions, what were my motivations. And I feel like if I had not gone to Valencia Community College and gone through the whole process of DirectConnect to UCF, I would have not been able to end up where I'm at, which is a PhD in electrical computer engineering at Carnegie Mellon.
It gave me an easy option to, pursue my bachelor's degree. And if it hadn't been for that, I wouldn't be where I am now. If I hadn't gone to UCF, I would have never pursued higher education. I don't think I'd ever had gone to graduate school. So I think that it definitely played a big role in where I am today.
I'm the first generation college student in my family. And really DirectConnect provided the access that I needed, right? It got my foot in the door. I am a proud UCFite, and I wouldn't change my experience holistically for anything. Currently, I am an MTSS coordinator at Endeavor Elementary School, which is a school here in Orange County.
I didn't feel like there was another chance for people like me in this space, and this program was amazing for that.